Ano ai wale. It's Kumumale coming to you from Kahalehuaka on the island of Molokaʻi. Our Mana'o Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is I leʻa ka hula I ka hoʻopaʻa. Say it with me, e hoʻopili mai. I leʻa ka hula I ka hoʻopaʻa. And that translates to the hula is pleasing because of the drummer. Oftentimes when we watch a hula dancer, we forget about everything that's happening in the background, the heart of the hula, the rhythm. And that happens with the hoʻopaʻa, the person who has that kuleana to beat the pahu drum or the ipuheke, to create the rhythm for the hula dancer to dance to. And that translates into life, into situations where oftentimes we just recognize the people who are at the forefront, but they have a whole team that's helping them make it happen. So it reminds us to recognize even the ones who aren't in the spotlight. They are just as important. So say it with me. I leʻa ka hula I ka hoʻopaʻa. Ha'oia. Our huaʻōlelo or Hawaiian word for the day is Pāʻina. E hoʻopili mai. Pāʻina. Woo! E Pāʻina kākou means let's go party, let's go have a good time and celebrate. Pāʻina is the traditional word for a party. Oftentimes we use luʻau, but we would use Pāʻina more frequently, and aha aina. Aha, a gathering, aina, the food that we eat from the land. So let's say Pāʻina all together again, one more time. Pāʻina. Auiho, malama pono.